Impulse momentum theorem problems. In problem 1, we have studied the case as when force is constant for a finite interval of time, then impulse from 1 to 2 is equal to force into bracket T2 minus T1. Now in second case, we will see when force is a function of time, then F is equal to F into T, and impulse from 1 to 2 is equal to integrating from T1 to T2 F into dt. Now we'll see one problem. The force is acting on 250 Newton crate has a magnitude of F is equal to 12 T square Newton, where T is in second. If the crate starts from rest, determine the speed when T is equal to 5 seconds. So crate is given, the magnitude of force is given now 12 T square, and they ask the velocity at 5 seconds. Initially the crate was at the rest. The mu for static and kinetic friction between the floor and the crate is given as 0.3 and 0.2. So mu s is given 0.3 and mu k is given 0.2. The diagram is given. This 250 Newton force crate is there, and a force of 12 T square, it is acting towards the right. So to oppose this, there will be a friction force mu into n, and this frictional force will be mu k into n because it is in motion. Now when the crate starts moving, it overcomes on a static friction. So that time we need to first find. So F is equal to mu s into n, we know. F is given 12 T square, mu s, that is static friction, given 0.3. Newton mg is given 250. Mg is weight, and which is given 250 Newton. So solving this, we'll get T is equal to 2.5 seconds. So after 2.5 seconds, crate will start moving. Now we'll use impulse momentum theorem, and we have to use from condition T is equal to 2.5 seconds to T is equal to 5 seconds. Now impulse force towards the right. So this impulse force towards the right is, we'll get by integrating from 2.5 to 5 seconds to F into dt. So integration from 2.5 to 5, 12 T square into dt. This is given. After integrating, we'll get 4 into bracket T cube. Lower limit is 2.5, upper limit is 5 seconds. Solving that, we'll get is equal to 437.5 Newton sec. But to this motion there will be a friction opposite, and that impulse frictional force is equal to minus mu k into nt, and it is equal to 0.2 into 250 into time interval is 2.5 seconds. Initial time is 2.5 seconds and final is 5, so 5 minus 2.5 is 2.5. That is equal to minus 125 Newton sec. Now net impulsive force is equal to, from I 2.5 to 2.5 second is equal to 437.5 minus 125 is equal to 312.5 Newton sec. Now momentum initial is 0 because blocks start from a rest. m5 is equal to mass into velocity at 5, mass into velocity at 5. Mass is 250 upon 9.81. It is given in Newton, so convert to into kg. We have divided by 9.81 and into v5. So using impulse momentum theorem, I from 2.5 to 5 equal to m5 minus m0. m0 is 0. So this value obtained 312.5 equal to m5. The mass is 250 upon 9.81 into v5. And after solving that, we'll get v5. The velocity at 5 is equal to 12.26 meter per second.